trend. Excuse me. As we see our daily case numbers, rates and hospitalizations decreasing, our immunizations continue to increase. To date, more than 8.5 million doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in Ontario. I'd like to reiterate what I said on Tuesday with respect to the Moderna vaccine. If this is the vaccine that is offered to you, please feel confident to receive it. Excuse me. Dry throat. The vaccine is an mRNA vaccine, like the Pfizer, and is safe and equally effective. My concern is that if people are turning down opportunities to get vaccinated because they are waiting for a different vaccine, they risk contracting COVID-19, not something any of us want. Overall, excuse me, the trends are continuing in the right direction and our situation in Ontario is improving. The provincial cases have decreased by 6. Excuse me.